Just imagine a magnificent test drive. But an extraordinary journey that stretches across the length and soul of India. From dramatic coastal showers to the blazing heat waves of Rajasthan, from bursts of color to blankets of white, powered by a vehicle that's 100% electric. Presenting Test Driven by 100, a one-of-a-kind journey where 100 creators, from master storytellers to fearless explorers, from bold fashionistas to culture-shaping trendsetters, will test one CRETA Electric one after another across the entire country, covering over 6,000 plus kilometers and 200 plus vibrant destinations. Whether it's range anxiety, extreme weather, real-world performance, or unstoppable adventure, we'll put the Hyundai CRETA Electric through it all, just to prove one thing. Is this the ultimate and undisputed electric SUV India has been waiting for?